Hey guys, so today's the big day. We are going to do the presentation of the monies and the sign. So this is the sign that we raffled. It's actually a leash holder. And Terry Lambert won, her name was drawn, and she wanted me to donate it back to you guys. So I am going to let them introduce themselves and give you kind of a little rundown of what they do here. So,
hi, I'm Judy Torgerson, and I happen to be the lucky president of Mutt Matchers and Friends. And this is our secretary, Ken Stewart. And we have had this rescue since November 1st, 2005. We are small, but we've adopted out quite a few dogs for our size. We have 11 kennels, and we're pretty rigid on who gets our dogs. They have to fill out an application. It has to be approved by our adoption committee. And then what we do is we have to, if they have dogs, we have to introduce the dogs on property that is not here. We take them outside and take them for a pack walk. And this is our little Hansel.
this is Hansel.
And he's not quite ready to be adopted yet. He has to get tutored at the vet.
Oh.
And anyway, we have 4 officers. There's a president, vice president, a secretary, and a treasurer. The treasurer works during the day, so she could not be here. And our vice president is rather ill. She did not sleep last night as she is fostering one of our pregnant mamas. So, but anyway, after we do the application, we meet the people, we do an interview, we interview the entire family to make sure if there's a kid that doesn't like a dog, no, then the dog can't go with them. But most of the time, we're pretty lucky on all of them. And we also do a yard check to make sure it's very safe for our dogs. If we have a digger, we hope to get a block wall for them because they can dig out. If they're a climber, we're hoping for a block wall. And we do stress this pretty much. Otherwise, that's about what we do. We're here every day from Monday through Saturday, and we're here from 8 or 8:30 till 3:30. But we do the cleaning and the feeding first thing in the morning. So our hours are generally around 10 until 3. And then we bring our pups in, and then they're settled in for the night. They are spoiled rotten, and we love them all. They are all got their shots. They all have their microchips, and they are all spayed and neutered before they go out of here. So they're up to date and current on shots. So, and that's about what we do.
Okay.
Ken?
I'm the secretary, and I'm honestly the guy that people hate, because I'm the one that gets to say no on the yard checks. And if I feel anything is out of place, I will say no on any adoption. They've got to have a good home.
Yep.
We're strict on the dogs that we take in. As far as surrendering a dog to us, but we're stricter on anybody who adopts our dogs. This is their second chance, and believe it or not, some of them 3rd and 4th chances before they find their forever home. But we have a wonderful organization. People like us. We do not advertise much. We are on Facebook, so you can check us out on Mutt Matchers. But anyway, that's about what we do.
Yes. So we've had the fundraiser. I guess it was 2 weeks of fundraising.
Yeah, it was Saturday through Saturday, 2 weeks.
Yeah, so one of our watchers, I won't say his name, I don't know if I should, but he and his wife donated a check, and it's coming straight to them, so it's not going to be part of what I present today.
Also, I want to say one thing to Terry Lambert for donating this to us. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, it was like a last minute thing. She's like, well, yeah, give it to him. So she's a sweetheart. She donated, I don't know, 3 or 4 times.
Yeah.
She bless her heart.
She'd
Bless
say,
everybody's heart.
I just watched your video and I was inspired, so 5 more tickets or whatever, you know.
Geez.
So yeah.
That was
So
wonderful.
with what you're going to be receiving from Mickey and his wife, the total that we raised was $2,300.
Oh my God.
So there is the other 18.
Oh.
To you.
And by the way, this is going to be going into our medical fund because we always want to make sure our dogs have the best things that they can have done. If they have to have, shots, or if they have to have medication, or if they need a checkup at the vet, we always have to take them in there because we're not going to let a sick dog go out of here or a dog that needs.
Well, we are 100% whatever you guys feel. Wherever can go to do the best good, you guys make that decision.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, he's so funny.
Sweetheart.
And we'll probably be doing this again maybe towards the end of the year. We'll do another one.
Oh, bless your heart, and thank you so much for finding us. We're quiet. We don't advertise.
I know,
a lot,
and it's funny.
so.
I just Googled, and I saw your little building, and I was like, yeah, that's
Yeah, and that's the one, that
That's
little
the one.
building, yeah.
Little buildings, small. They are nonprofit, non-kill. So if anybody wants to continue to donate to them, go
Mm-hmm.
on their website. There is an address that you can send donations to. Don't send it to the building. Send it to the P.O. box. So,
Yes.
and again, thanks you guys so much for your
Bless everybody's
contributions,
hearts.
your
Yes.
donations. It blew us away. We really weren't expecting that much.
This
but-
blows us away.
Yes.
doesn't it?
So, yes.
And those
so,
wonderful people that are giving us the other donation too, we would also be writing them a thank you.
Yes.
By all means.
So,
So
anyway, guys, thanks so much again, and we'll be keeping you updated on our little Hansel there and the other puppies out there.
Who's sitting on my lap? as we speak.
Yeah, he's
That's
very-
why
he's
that's
very
why the
comfy.
camera's been jiggling
Yeah.
because I've been petting Hansel.
So again, thank you so much, and we will see you guys soon. Bye bye.
thank you.